If you are someone who has a keen interest in real estate industry and want to start and grow your own business in this particular industry, this video is for you. Hi and welcome to another episode of All About Real Estate, and today we will be covering topic of how to start your own business with zero investment in real estate industry. A lot of people wish to start their own business in real estate industry. Let's say in simple terms, business of properties. But they struggle with factors like generation of capital, lack of experience, or building a network. Let us understand this by looking into the niches.
Now, to start a zero investment real estate business all over India, there are two options. Number one, become a builder or a developer. Being a builder, you start developing or building apartments, a flat, a shop, anything of your liking, and you start selling them on your own and get involved in various types of commercial projects. Or you can become a dealer. Now, who is a dealer? A dealer is a person who promotes already built apartments, shops, flats for the builders. A builder develops and the dealer sells it. If you work as a builder, you will have to involve your capital. But if you work as a dealer, you will need capital, but not as much as a builder would need. That is comparatively less capital. Now, being a dealer, you can start your real estate business with zero investment. So today we will understand how, by being a dealer, you invest 0 rupees and then build yourself, and then later earn money and become a builder if you want. So today, if you are at zero, how to at least start a business. Now, discussing generally, who do you think earns more here? Is it a builder or is it the dealer? See, according to the mostly used psychology, a builder is investing more. So it is likely to happen that the builder will earn more. But let me tell you for a fact that if you manage to become a good dealer and start cracking good deals, you can earn more in a comparatively lesser time as compared to a builder. For example, a builder X invests Y amount of capital and he wants to develop a project, and the estimated time for the project to be ready is of 1.5 to 2 years. In the same time, a dealer will require 2 to 4 months to crack a deal. The point here is that the dealer can make n numbers of deals in this period of time, but the builder can only build more projects if he has the capital, right? So a dealer can sell n numbers of projects from n numbers of builders. The advantage is clearly earned by the dealer here. Now, who do you think is a king here? A party with customer is the king. A dealer has a network that involves customers at a bigger level as compared to a builder. So our dealer is our king. Let's begin with facts and figures. Let's say you start your business with zero investment. Okay, but growing in real estate is your dream. How do you convert that zero into the amount of capital that you need? Now, it's okay if you don't have any capital or you have zero money. You will need 4 things to grow. If you don't have these 4 things or you don't develop these 4 factors, your growth in real estate will be very problematic. Prime focus on the very. What are the 4 things? Number 1, skills. What are the skills that you require in real estate? Number 1, communication skills. Your efforts will go to waste if you don't have appropriate communication skills. Think of it as the key factor in this business. Number 2, relationship building. You should know how to build a relationship with the client. That will be your true investment here. Number 3, networking skills. You should know how to build a network and maintain it. Number 4, and the most important, personality. See, even if you have these three skills and you lack here, you won't be able to take this further. Personality is something that helps you represent yourself. When you go to a client, you go to a customer, the first thing he will notice is your personality. How dynamic it is, what impression are you leaving? So, on number 2, we have experience. You need to have experience. If you want to evolve in real estate industry, you need to be aware and updated of your surroundings. What are the new projects? What are the rate of properties in your particular locality? The details you won't find in any book are these details. You will know this if you have experience. You're at 0, you will need to earn experience. Coming to the third point, network. If you have network in real estate, you have the money. You need to build a network. That doesn't mean you will take 10 to 15 years to build a network. You have to do it quickly. That's where your skill comes in action. Coming to the fourth point, mindset. Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. To make that possible, you have to know, you have to understand the importance of making every minute, every opportunity count. You have to understand the importance of transaction you will need to make in this industry. Doing everything that helps you grow, that should be your mindset.
That is why we at Yes Property have initiated Yes Connect Partner Program to help you start in real estate with zero investment on your own. Now, once you start with us as Yes Connect Partner, you work with us as a business partner. The benefits of becoming a Yes Connect Partner are as follows.
All partners will get the advantage to associate and work with the brand of Yes Property. This will give you an edge to be known and acknowledged by the industry on your very first interaction rather than being an unknown individual without any brand support. Number 2, you get access to Yes Property's industry network and use the well-established relationships. This will give you an advantage to get contacts of key people in the industry for your dealings and get the transactions closed faster on already well-built relations. Number 3, you get access to Yes Property's vast customer database to kickstart your sales. That means there is no need to go anywhere in search of data. Number 4, you will get initial basic training covered by the company. You will know and learn the very basics of real estate, prime locations, as well as fast selling projects, etc. This will be done by professionals, which will help you save your time and efforts. Number 5, freedom to operate your own way while getting all the mentioned perks from Yes Property with no obligations to the company whatsoever other than your sales results.
Coming to the disadvantages of starting from the scratch.
Number 1, immense research about the industry will be time taking. Number 2, building the important industry network from scratch. Number 3, building strong relationships with key industry people from scratch. Number 4, collecting the initial relevant customer database.
So now that we know the disadvantages and how difficult kickstarting your real estate business as an individual without any support whatsoever, I hope that the advantages that I've listed down in this video will help you understand why choosing to be our Yes Connect partner is the best option for any individual. It is indeed a faster way, time saving, energy saving, with a back to fall upon for support whenever required, and the most important of all, with zero investment or capital to start your own real estate business. For those who are interested to know the details, log on to www.yesproperty.com and drop us a message. I hope I was able to clear all your doubts about how to start your business in real estate with zero investment or capital. If you have any queries, feel free to use the chat section. Thank you, have a nice day, stay safe.